There's more than one way of styling a grown-out fringe. I'm going to share with you two of my favourite pro tips on how to do this quickly and easily. The first technique I'm going to share with you is curtain bangs. Now this is a super popular style and probably most notably worn by Alexa Chung. It's centre parted and it's curved just towards the end to give you that peekaboo feel. For this look you'll need GHD Pick Me Up Root Lift Spray, your GHD Helios hairdryer and a ceramic radial brush. Finally, to add beautiful shine and perfect your look, your GHD Platinum Plus. So first of all, on damp hair, you want to be applying a small amount of GHD Pick Me Up Root Lift Spray. This spray is going to help you achieve a little bit more volume at the root, but also give you hold to help you in styling and creating shape. GHD Pick Me Up also features the heat protection system, which is going to protect your hair from the heat. Next, you want to take your GHD ceramic radial brush and your Helios, placing the brush underneath the section and following from root to tip with your GHD Helios. An expert tip is to dry the fringe from side to side. This will allow the hair to fall towards the centre. Once the hair's dry, you want to separate at the centre, and then to get that curtain fringe effect, you want to take your Platinum Plus, bending your hair to the side and tapping in the shape with the plates of your styler. And finally, to lock in the style, apply GHD's Perfect Ending Final Fix Spray. A quick tip from me is that if you place your hand underneath, resting your hair on top, applying the hairspray to lock in shape, again to get that beautiful bend in the fringe. The second technique, and another great way to style a grown-out fringe, is the lifted side bang. Now this is a variation on a classic side fringe, but with a little bit more root volume to give it a bit more of a modern feel. So first of all, on damp hair, you want to be applying a little bit of GHD Pick Me Up Root Lift Spray. Now this is a great prepping product to add that extra volume into the fringe. Once you've applied your prep products, you want to be using your GHD Helios and your ceramic radial brush. So the technique here is you want to be taking diagonal sections in your fringe. Placing your brush underneath, blow dry your fringe in the opposite direction that you eventually want it to sit in. The reason for this is by blow drying in the opposite direction, you add more root lift and volume to your fringe. Once the hair's dry, place your fringe in the final position and perfect the ends with your GHD Platinum Plus. Using the Platinum Plus, curve the ends of the fringe. Finally, fix your hair in place using GHD's Perfect Ending Final Fix Spray. Massage the hair between your fingers to add more lift at the front. And there you have a few of my expert tips on how to style long bangs.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.